Transform your passion into profit by building a thriving dropshipping store with WordPress and Alidropship. First, let's get your foundation right. We'll guide you through installing and setting up the Alidropship plugin on your WordPress website. This plugin is your all-in-one solution for managing your dropshipping business. The key to a profitable store is finding the right products. We'll show you how to identify trending and in-demand items that have strong profit potential, using Alidropship's built-in tools and external research methods. Once you've chosen your winning products, importing them into your store is incredibly simple with just a few clicks. Alidropship will automatically add product details, images, and pricing, saving you hours of manual work. Now, let's make your store shine. We'll cover selecting a professional and mobile-responsive WordPress theme that showcases your products beautifully, making it easy for customers to browse and buy. Managing orders is where Alidropship truly shines. When a customer places an order, the plugin automates the process of sending it to your supplier, handling payments and shipping details so you don't have to. This automation frees up your time to focus on marketing and growing your business, turning your online store into a consistent profit-generating machine. Ready to launch your profitable dropshipping website? Follow our step-by-step guide and build your successful online store with confidence using WordPress and Alidropship.